Hey guys, it's Will, also known as Burning Gun, and I'm from Gamerizations, and I'm going to teach you about Photoshop. So the first thing you should do right now is right-click on your background. Since it'll be locked, so you can't really do anything, right-click background. Um, look, press right-click, duplicate layer. I'm gonna erase copy. Now get your original background and trash it. And then now you have a background layer, leave that there. So make a new layer with this button, and then I'm gonna rename this loop, L-O-O-P. With a select a pen tool. Oops. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a loop around whatever you're gonna make. So I'm gonna make it around his entire body. So I'm gonna start from here to here, from his head. Then once you do that, you just keep going straight down, not curve, just only curve on the loops. And once you're done, you right click, and then you stroke path, and you press OK. Make sure it has brush right here. OK. And once that's done, this should appear. This is kind of what you want. So what you're gonna do right now is right click loop, go to layer or blending options, click that, and this window will pop up. So what you're gonna do for a really cool effect is press inner glow, or actually outer glow, whatever works for you. And right here where it says contour, or whatever it says, press this down arrow, press this curve right here, and then you can change the color to whatever you want. I'm gonna do red, solid red. And then you can play around with all this, which I am going to do. And then noise, mix like that. Opacity makes it basically darker. I don't really like this anymore, so I'm gonna change it again to this color. And do you see how it's like glowing effect? That's what you want. So now once you're done with that, I'm gonna do inner glow, and then I'm gonna do I'll go red again. So I'm gonna go red, press the slope thing again, and then play around with everything again, which I am going to do. So I'm gonna leave right there. So that's what you have, and then you can play around with everything else. I usually just leave it like this, or if I want to, I'll put a drop shadow, which basically just puts a shadow, and the range right here. Wait, no, wrong place. Drop shadow right here, and then you can do distance. You see the shadow. I'm not gonna put a shadow. You can customize the angle of it, so you can make it go up, left, right, up, down, whatever. And then whatever you do, you always put slope. It always makes it better. But I don't want it, so I'm press. So I'm gonna uncheck it. So press OK, and then this is the outcome. Press your pen again if you don't have it already. Right click and press delete path, and then those little tiny lines inside will disappear, and now it should look better. And then once you're done with that, you press your eraser tool, and right here go to calligraphic brushes, click OK, and you press this 28 right here, the 28 size, and this should pop up, or nothing should pop up. So then what I'm gonna do is just erase like this, like so. So it makes a loop effect. I don't like that. So you keep going. I'll leave it like this. And then since it's spiraling, you want to keep letting it go. And then keep going.
I'm a producer, and I come from the underground, and I'm quite frankly, I'm sick and tired, and I'm here to go on.
I'm just listening to music in the background. So now you have your loop effect. So just in case anything happens, like computer crashes, I'm gonna say I'll press Control S for a fast way to save. Then I'm going to. You guys don't really have to do this, but I like to do this. So I'm going libraries, pictures, and then I'm rename it Chibi Bleach Photo S Shop. Save. Oh yeah, and for a quick tip. Hey guys, it's Burning Gun again. Sorry for the inconvenience. My friend was calling me. Anyways, once this is all done, I'm gonna teach you something else. So I'm gonna press create new layer. Wait, no, don't do that. Press text, and then I'm gonna call this. I'm gonna make this maximum font, and then I'm gonna press this font or maximum size and whatever font you want. I'm gonna call this bleach, and I'm gonna change the color by right here. Look at my cursor. Press this color. Go to red or any color you want. I'm going to press black. Or actually, right there. Okay. And then what you can do now is press this layer, which is the text box, because that should appear right when you type in. It should make a new layer. You right click it, blending options like last time, and then you can what's it called? You can do the same thing as you did to the loop. See right here, you can do outer glow. I'll do blue, actually red. Okay, and then you can do spread. I don't know if you can see that. Opacity. And then the contour, round. I'm trying to look for a color that shows up, which none of them are working out. So then, another cool thing you can do is all these. This one makes it like 3D-ish. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. Contour, which makes it even more rounder. Texture, which is with texture. Satin makes it darker. Color overlay, I don't know. Gradient makes like a color to another color, like white to black as is right now. I don't really want that. Patterns does that. A stroke does that, which I really want. So the color right here, you can change it to whatever you want, and then I'm gonna make it green. So then there's all these options. You can do whatever you want with them. I usually press normal. You can do the size, which I always leave it to defaults unless I want it bigger, which I am doing now. And then you can do the position, the center, but I always put it outside because it looks 10 times better. Then I'm pressing OK. And there it is, your little text box thing. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. And please rate, comment, subscribe. I don't think you can rate anymore. Like this thing. I put a lot of hard work on this, so yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye!